Hello, ladies and gents. I hope that this video finds you in the best of health and spirits. Today's video is going to be about the top 5 WhatsApp confirmation template or messages. And basically, this video is going to be oriented to people who are working as COD sellers or cash on delivery sellers, which is another type or like of e-commerce. Okay. So here we are going to see what are the top 5 WhatsApp confirmation templates or messages that you can utilize so that you can confirm your orders. And basically, this video is not directed to people who are in the prepaid e-commerce. All right. So basically, why WhatsApp confirmation is so important when it comes to cash on delivery? Because first, it reduces the fake orders. Second, decreases the return, or so to speak, the return rate, increase deliverability or a delivery success rate. Besides, build trust with the customer, save the ad budget, and this is very important to everybody or anybody who's running ads, marketing the product and stuff like this. And also it allows you to do some upsells, order correction and stuff like this. And this order correction can lead to like an increase in delivery as well as to reduce the fake orders and also decrease the return. So all these points are somehow connected. So this is why WhatsApp confirmation or confirmation in general when it comes to COD is so important. And if you are a COD seller, you have to utilize the WhatsApp confirmation because it's so important and it's going to take your business to the next level with the bare minimum effort. Okay. So now let's move on to the top confirmation template. So I will leave these templates down in the description box. Okay. So the first one is the instant API or API confirmation, which is the speed and the convenience. So basically, this is like, let's say this is the normal, the casual confirmation template that starts with, for example, hi, this is the name of the store here. We receive the orders for, here is like the product name, order number, like we can add here the images, stuff like this, the total price of the order to dispatch your packet today. Please confirm your details are correct. So here we're going to play with some words. Okay, this is so important in here. Okay, so here we are letting our customer know that we are going to dispatch the package or the order today, so that we can do so. You have to confirm immediately. And here we have two buttons. Okay, sorry, here we have two buttons. We have the confirm order or like in the details, and this button specifically is so important because when you give this information to the customer, they can review it, and if they made kind of mistake or something like this, they can click on edit order and then they can edit their orders to correct them, right? Or they can confirm order by clicking on one button. So basically here what we are doing is we are reducing all the actionable uh, stuff that you used to be doing to this. You know what I'm saying? Like when an order come in, a message will be sent to the customer confirm the message, right, with one click. And this is how the message should look like, something like this. So this is a customer who receives the confirmation message, and these are the buttons that I was talking about here: confirm orders, edit details, or order details, something like this. So this is how the templates should look like. Now let's move on to the next template, which is the address verification filter. So this is for merely the verification because there are some people who are suffering from fake orders, so to speak. And sometimes the fake orders are not fake orders, they just misspelled addresses. Okay, so for example, we have here hello name, thank you for trusting, store name, your order for product name is registered to ensure it reaches your doorstep without delay. This the address exactly correct? Here you are confirming the order in another way instead of giving it or giving them this information, you are like, tackling this issue or this process from another direction, which is the address. The address is correct, and here you add the address. The address is correct. These are two buttons, update the address. Okay. So, and this is how, like, the message or the confirmation message should look like, something like this. Now let's move on to the third template, which is the urgency sorry, FOMO, or like, fear of missing out driver, scarcity. Okay. So this is like, a type of like, urgency confirmation template, so this template is like agitating people to take action immediately. Okay, for example, hi there, your order number for product name is received, stock is moving fast, we are closing today the dispatched list within an hour. So here you are creating the scarcity. That's what and to be super honest with you, this is my preferred confirmation template, because like, we are not going to confirm the order like, naturally. We are going to add some scarcity, because this type of scarcity, like, makes people want to take action as fast as possible, because here we are telling them that the stock is moving fast and we are closing today's dispatch list within the hour. Okay, or 1 hour or something like this, you know what I'm saying? So basically, like, you're telling people that if you want to order to be dispatched today, you have to confirm now, you know what I'm saying? Okay, and here confirm now to guarantee your item shipped today. So we are going to fix on the today, you know what I mean? So this is important. Ship it now instead of confirm the order, ship it now, you know what I'm saying? And here you can add like, call me, stuff like this, in case they have a problem, something like this. And this is for people who are like, selling locally. Okay, and this is how the message should look like. And as you can see here, like, we have type of scarcity here, the message here, the danger stuff here, and so on. So basically, as I said, this is my preferred template, and it works really, really, really well, Now let's move on to the risk reversal or trust building. And this template is very important as well, because here you are like, trying to like, build trust, kind of. Okay, welcome, like, name to store name, your product is boxed and ready. We want to like, reassure you that you only pay upon delivery after inspecting your item. So here you are like, giving that person that you can inspect the item before paying, and also you can only pay, or you can pay after the delivery, which is like, a very, 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 very trust building pillar. Okay, shall we confirm the dispatch? Yes, confirm. I have a question, so this template is good too, but as I said, I do prefer this formal one, because like, it creates kind of scarcity, kind of. Okay, last one that we have here is the upsell plus confirmation. So basically, this is for people who want to like, upsell their orders and stuff like this. We called it the order bump. Okay, high name. You order for, here you put the product name, the price is pending confirmation. Before we ship, we would like to add upsell product for only discount price. Shipping remains free. Okay, so here you are upselling two products at once, you know what I'm saying? Like, you are not confirming one order, you are using like, using this message so that you can confirm two orders at the same time, you know what I'm saying? So this is like, a very good upsell template, and also when it comes to the upsell product, it should always 100% be linked to or relative to the product that this customer purchased before. Okay, for example, I don't know, for example, if you are selling socks, you can upsell with like, shoes, something like this. So this is just an example. Always upsell with the relative products, or the product that's complete each other. Okay, and here is the message, how it should be and stuff like this. So this is just like a picture to show you like how the message should look like. And by the way, you can utilize all these templates on igrow.com. I will leave the link down below in the description. And as always, if you have any question, anything, you can leave the comment in the comment section below, and see you soon.